If you love hair extensions and saving money, the next 60 seconds is going to change your life. These are Muse DIY hair extensions that you can do at home in 20 minutes and achieve salon quality results. The kit comes with everything you need, including your hair, tape, remover, and instructions on how to apply and remove. The hair extensions last for up to 4 weeks in your hair before you take them out yourself and reapply them yourself. Installation could not be easier. Align the tape with the top of the hair extensions and use one continuous piece for both sides of the hair extension piece. Line it up and stick it down. Create a very clean section, peel one side of the tape off, apply 1 centimeter below the line of your section, press down and peel off the remaining side of the tape. Let your hair lay down flat on top of the hair extension piece you just applied, then use your hands to smooth down. Continue with the rest of the pieces in your kit and use the smallest pieces for around the front of your face. And this is the finished result. This took me 20 minutes and now I'm good to go for the next 4 weeks. So if you want to join hundreds of other women from around the world and achieve your dream hair from the comfort of your own home, head to museforhair.com.